Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add pricing table in wpbakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website, and after that in the plugin sections let me install a plugin. Let me select plugin file from my laptop. Here you can see this is 7.5 version of plugin. Just you can get this plugin from the official website wpbakery.com, and here you can see their active users worldwide. For a single website you can get for $59. For the multiple websites, here you can check these are some packages, and here you can also check the features. It has front-end editor, back-end editor, and various other useful features that you can easily create your own website. Now let's activate the plugin. Then go to the pages, then edit. You can also go with edit wpbakery page builder. Now let's scroll down, and here let me add a new row. Then let me add 3 columns. Now let's add pricing table. Here you can search for pricing, then add this. Now let me duplicate and add here one again. So now let's preview. Here you can see I have 3 pricing tables. Now simply you can change the text. Scroll up and let's see. Just change package name basic, and here you can change the subheading, then currency, price, then this is for the monthly yearly package, and after that scroll down. This is for the features. Here you can see these are some features. Just you can add your own. Let me add one more. For example, 24/7 sport, and after that scroll down for color options. So this is, let me change into another color. Now you can also add a button. Then go for the button settings. So let's change text for subscribe. Then you can link. Let me copy a link and add here. Then after that you can set the style, classic, modern, whatever. Let me select modern. Then you can also select the shape, then color. Let me select green color, and also you can select the size, then alignment. Okay, now let's preview. Scroll down. Here you can see how it looks. In this way you can easily change text and content for other 2 pricing tables, and you can select the correct details for your packages. Okay, thank you for watching video.